I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the weekly collaboration of quick and easy meals. This collaboration is hosted by Anna from Simply Grace Lifestyle and Jean from Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Tonight I'm putting together a super easy, super delicious boxed brownie mix, but we are going to make this with a lot less calories. Let me show you how easy it is to make this wonderful brownie recipe with 1,000 calories less. It's so simple and so delicious. Let's put this brownie recipe together and see if it turns out just as good as my friend claims. I'm going to start with this Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix. This is my favorite fudge brownie mix. And then I have the cup of Greek yogurt. This is actually a 5.3 ounce. I have my 2 eggs and my 2 tablespoons of water. Let's get this put together. It should take no time at all to make this recipe. I've added in the water. I'm going to add in the yogurt, the 2 eggs, and now the brownie mix. I'm just going to stir this together really well until it's all mixed up. As I'm mixing this, I've noticed the consistency is just the same as it always is with the oil or with the Greek yogurt. You could also use, in place of the oil, an unsweetened applesauce. It should work just the same. And now it's all mixed up. It just took a minute to put this together. Let's put it in our casserole dish. I have a baking dish here, and I have sprayed just the bottom of it, just as you would only grease the bottom of any baking dish when you're going to make brownies. And now let's take our brownies off to our preheated oven at 350 degrees. These brownies should take about 21 to 24 minutes. Adding the Greek yogurt really puts a lot of extra protein in this recipe. Let's check out the texture of these brownies. It's like a wonderful, delicious, soft, chewy cake. This will be absolutely delicious. These brownies turned out wonderful. They turned out like a wonderful, delicious brownie cake. I was so happy with it. My husband really enjoyed it too. They're not the typical brownies that are super, super gooey and chewy, which I really love, but they were really delicious, and knowing that they had so many less calories was a wonderful bonus that I know I'll really be happy about in the long run. I'm so glad you were here, and I would be really happy if you check out Anna and Jean's channels. They'll be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next week, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time.